One came a Spanish flag ship owner. We have different flags in Europe. We have Malta that does not endorse Panama and Venezuela, and we have then Cyprus that does not endorse the same, and then we have then Madeira, and then we have Dutch, Belgium, French, Italian, and we have the Espanol flag within Europe. Of course, the most common language in Europe is Spanish in this planet Earth. I don't know if they speak in Mars or in the Moon. They are just traveling around to find out what language they talk, those countries. But here, if we go back to our origins, our roots, our goodwill, our ESG, corporate social responsibility, transparency, employing in our own people, then we think that perhaps the Spanish flag has the biggest advantage. Why? Because there is 600 million, or is it now 1 billion talking Espanol in this planet. Therefore, could we really get the endorsement of Venezuela and Panama, plus the rest of the countries in Latin America, 40,000 officers? Also, could we think about the Maghreb countries that we have, Morocco, Algeria, Libya, and all these Maghreb countries' endorsements? And why not, if there is a need of 75,000 chief engineers, because this planet has 75,000 ships, then perhaps we need 150,000 chief engineers. So why not then endorse also Philippines, India, Indonesia, Sri Lanka, and all the other countries in this planet that do supply officers? Now, this is one just little idea, but the question is, are we really willing to start for the bunker, for the LNG, for the general cargo, for the tanker, for the container ships and the cabotage and the harsh condition ships, give it a try to the Spanish flag and speak Espanol? Well, perhaps you want to pay and have higher travel costs and not invest in your own people. Well, if you are one of those, then please don't get a quote from our side for these 1,000 ships that we could really start working very fast today. Thank you. Bye.